Hey mamas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, she's your fave, and if you are not new here, hey girl, hey. In today's video, as you can see from the title, we'll be working with Unice hair, and they sent me this 13x4 transparent lace front wig in the ash violet brownish with baby lights blonde wig unit, and it is in 24 inches 180 density. And in today's video I showed you guys how I did this quick and easy glueless install. Yes, I absolutely said glueless. You really don't need any lace adhesive on this unit. This unit works like it's very much a grab and go, ready to wear type of unit. So if you'd like to see how to get your glueless unit from Unice looking just like this, don't forget to go ahead and check the links in the description box and purchase and follow along with me in today's tutorial.
It's just so close to being equal. Think around to what needs a sequel. Hit the back. though. You next level, you a cheat code. In so deep, you hit my sleep flow. Got me singing like a Alicia. Got me using all the lingo. Tell your girlfriend that's the same go. Got me on my cousin good hearts. We look good for like a porn star. Next day, I just like you broke up. Bitches ask me how you know her. Taking slow to baby close up. Two love nights, still a boat up. I just went supernova. Fuck that, I ain't coming over.
Alright you guys, so this is my finished look, and this gorgeous unit is from ft.Unice hair. They sent me this 13x4 lace frontal transparent lace wig unit in the ash Voilet with brownish baby lights color, and it is in 24 inches, 180 density, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I'm living for these curls. You guys saw me straighten this hair, you saw me put some curls in, and these are two very powerful irons that I'm using. So I'm loving that this hair takes the heat very well, whether it may be to straighten the hair or to curl it. I did straighten it out because I just wanted my curls to just be more like waves, more uniform, and not so voluminous like fresh out the pack body wave hair, if you get what I mean. So I wanted to feel, you know, a little bit worn with less texture. So I'm living for how it looks right now. I'm having the time of my life running my fingers through this hair. It's really nice and soft. It is also a glueless unit, so I did not have to put any adhesive or anything at all. And in fact, I can actually go ahead and push this comb under this unit to show you it is 100% glueless. I am living for it. I can take it off and on anytime I please, so this is very much like the vibes of this wig. If you'd like to purchase this gorgeous unit from Unice Hair, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. So don't forget to go ahead and check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.